Okay, I'm going to skip straight over to CL here. And off the high we saw here, which I think is the micro degree 1 of the much bigger move up, we've got a straightforward AB, ABC into that 1.0 extension and 61.8 retrace. Either that is the count, an AB, ABC, and we're done, or the second ABC isn't. It's a unfolding impulse, and we've got waves 1, 2, 3, and 4 in place, and we're going to come down one more level to the 138.2, which is also where the 764 retrace of this move up resides. 65.95 to 66.02 is the level to watch below us if we take out yesterday's low in CL. And if I just bring that down to the 15-minute chart and zoom that up here, we need to stay below 68.12 and make that next low down at the 65.95. Take out 68.12, it becomes much more likely that the low's in, and invalidation of a counter lower comes at 68.42. Okay. Day trade wise, it's just milling around between these lines at the moment, doing precisely nothing. So I'd wait for one of those two levels to, I've just given you, to confirm which direction we're going in next. Natty gas. So natty gas, just on a slightly larger time frame, the daily here, we're looking for the rest of this 3, 4, 5 down. We're already short via DGAS, and that's been a great trade. It's given us no pressure at all. So I've got a 1, 2, 1, 2, and it puts us in the early stages of the 3 of this 3 in natural gas. Now let's come down to the hourly time frame, and off the top, there's the first 5, there's the 2. That was our short entry, literally this time last week. Then I've got a 1, 2, 1, 2, but we seem to be stuck here at this 1.0 extension. We spiked through it a few times. We need to drop into here and see the rest of this play out. Otherwise, this can start to morph into a diagonal or something horrible. So I'm looking for it to start to let go in the next session or two in natural gas to confirm that we're getting an impulse for the rest of this move down and that we're actually in the wave 3 of that impulse. 15 minute, have I gone down to 15? Yeah, okay, so you can see here's the 15-minute chart. There's that 1.0 extension. We need to drop lower, 26.36 to 27.13 I'm looking for before the next bounce in natural gas.